Oh, what a beautiful day it is out here today. Oh my gosh, this has been just absolutely incredible. It's so good to see you all again. Welcome back. Well, today we're going to go ahead and we're going to continue on our journey going southwest. So why don't you come along with us? Let's go. Oh, look at them mountains up in front there. Oh, it's almost so exciting. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I hope you can see them out there. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's been so long. What is this? Abbott River. I don't know what the name of that was. Abbott River. Let's just go with that. That sounds good. Let's just make up our own names along the way. Did you ever do that when you were a kid, when you would go with your mom and dad on a ride or on vacation? Make up one word and say the next one that comes to mind? Oh, I'll tell you what, being a kid. Woo. Oh, Black Diamond Park, the jewel of the Rockies. Residents and guests only. I guess I'm neither. Well, I might be a guest, but I don't think so here. Time to take the doggy out for a potty. Gas we're putting in. Okay, good enough. 1402, 6 gallons. Receipt, please. Oh, Jaxie! What are you doing, boy? Oh, that's a close-up. Well, we just got done putting some fuel in. Gas is $1.35 here. And we're about 75 miles from Alamosa, California. Oh my gosh, this has been quite the journey so far. Wow, this is crazy. Boy, I tell you, I'm loving this. But they do have high wind warnings up right now, so we'll just see how well that goes. Hopefully, okay. All right, let's keep going. Oh, wait a minute. We got a soup car coming. Oh, there they are. Oh yeah, we're in the mountains. And we're under a high wind warning. Oh boy, Spanish Peaks. Oh, can we feel the elevation? Ooh, oh yeah. Well, I tell you, the old van, she sure knows she's somewhere else. Wow, look at that mountain up there. Isn't that cool? It's got to be over 11,000 feet high. See where the trees stop up there? Everything past 11,000 feet is called tree line. Nothing grows up there. North Lavetta Pass. Oh, I haven't been through one of these for like ever. Ooh. Oh, I sure hope it goes better than the last time I did it. Oh, it's amazing. You know, as these miles pass by, I find myself drifting in and out of deep thought, reflecting on who I am, who I was, and who I'm becoming. And as surely as that golden orb comes up and goes down, there are a lot of things that happen. And for myself, I find them happening to me. See, with every passing day, I feel myself changing. I find that I no longer fit squarely into the societal norm hole. Yep, that's right, I said norm hole. Anyway, I feel like I'm becoming more rounded, and certainly, I definitely feel more at peace. I don't know, maybe it's being away from the city, or maybe I'm just happy a bear didn't eat me last night. All I know is something's different. I feel like I'm becoming something more. I don't know, it's kind of like my glass is becoming full. I guess I just feel alive again. Can't ask for a whole lot more than that. Oh my gosh, that was a long drive. We are here at the Big R store and we're gonna get some propane. All right, let's jump in here and get the propane tank. First I gotta do is I gotta move everything out of my way. I'm gonna put you down here. There's my cleaning bottle. Now, I have my propane tank back in here. I have its own cabinet, that's where it's stored. And that way, you know, in case there's ever a problem, it's all encased. Now, what I make sure I do, I make sure I open up my vent, because when I undo the lines, propane is gonna spew out of these lines right here, and yeah, make it kind of stinky in here. So what I do is I make sure it's turned off, and then I lift it up, and then I take it out, And then from up here, I can undo all the hoses and then I can pull the tank out. So let's get the tank out. We're gonna get some propane because it's gonna be mighty cold tonight. It's supposed to be down in the low 20s. So we're just waiting for somebody to show up and then we'll get it. It's a Big R store in Los Alamosa, Colorado. It's got quite a few things around here. I might actually get a pizza or something tonight. That was a heck of a drive through those mountains. That pass was incredibly cool. But I think we're gonna go get some, well, we're gonna do propane now, and then we're gonna go over to Walmart, and yeah, Walmart, and then we're gonna resupply, and then we're gonna go from there. And there is the van. Oh, she definitely needs a clean. Boy, is she looking dirty, 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 dirty. Everything is holding up super great. Those roof racks, oh, I tell you what, that's some rock solid stuff. Look at how dirty that is. Oh my gosh, I just cleaned this baby. Yeah, everything is holding up super, super great. In a windstorm, I lost my black covering back here. I'm gonna have to paint that one. Everything's up there pretty secure. Traction mats are up there great. Awnings up there great. Everything's looking good. There's little Jaxie. Hi, little Jaxie. He just let me out of here. Oh, it looks like a killing field on the front of the van. Oh my gosh. And I got my little Lumi light. It's up here charging. It is fully charged. Still waiting for the guy to come out and do propane. They're here and they're open till 8 o'clock at night. Now, I don't know what kind of restrictions they have on, I don't know, that whole face covering stuff. But I guess I'm about to find out. Oh, little Jax. He certainly was looking forward to getting out. I did like 137 miles on that little truck right there. He's been pretty good about the whole thing. He does make a great traveling companion. What do you think, buddy? Alright, still waiting for the guy to come out to do the propane. It sure is a lot of tumbleweeds around here. Cottonwood Dental Clinic, Alamosa Family Dental, Sherman-Williams. You get your teeth done and get them whitened. Hey, little Jax. He's like, oh, come on, man. What you doing, buddy? Huh? You just want to look around. You're tired of sitting in that doggone van, aren't you? I don't blame you. Here, let's go over here. Come on. Let's go over here. Oh, that's an anthill. Ooh, look at all those little red ants. Oh my gosh, don't want to get around those. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yeah, those would hurt a little bit. Look at all those little red ants. So you keep Jax out of there. And little red fire ants. Ooh, don't want those. Those would bring on the hurt pretty good. Oh, it's getting late. We got to try to figure out where we're going to stay tonight. There has been so many cool things along this trip. I wish I could have shown you, but oh, how do I say this? You know, I was really looking to make sure I was on the right track because I've been out there, well, quite frankly, in the middle of nowhere. I'm not taking a regular travel route. I'm kind of going down the back roads. All right, well, once again, I'm going to go find out what's going on with this guy. See where he's at. Let's go ahead. Now we got to go ahead and put away these groceries. Oh, get reset back up again. All right, well, we're about midway on our journey here. And tonight we are staying at the Grand Illustrious, you got it, Walmart. We just stopped by and got a pizza. Oh my gosh, I haven't had an actual cooked meal outside of the van for the last, I don't know, 3 weeks. There's Jax, he's looking for a current spot to go poo. Okay, we'll give him some privacy there. Anyway, yeah, this is a pretty nice Walmart. I called and asked them, they said, yeah, not a problem. People are just like super sweet around here. It's, wow, pretty amazing. I'm not used to that from where I come from. But yeah, we're staying here at the illustrious Walmart, Alamosa, Colorado. So, what a great little place. It's been quite a drive so far. Boy, I'll tell you, it sure is exciting. But yeah, we're going to spend the night here. And I'm going to go eat some pizza, watch a movie, and hopefully start working on a video for you guys. Because I got to get you all caught up for where I'm at. Alright, well, just checking in. Like I said, we are at the illustrious Walmart here in Alamosa, Colorado. Right in the middle of the, well, I believe it's the middle of the Rockies. But anyway, what a drive. Had a heck of a pass today. That was something else all by itself. Van did absolutely wonderful. I am so proud of her. Yeah, little Jax, he's like, let me go, man, let me go. I don't want to go back in there. No, he has been absolutely wonderful as a companion for this. I'm not sure he likes it so much, but I know he likes it when we stop. All right, well, you know what? I just wanted to let y'all know what we were up to. And, all right, checking in and checking out for right now. See y'all later. You know, there are a million things to see in van life, and there is a million and one things to do. But today, it was all about the journey. Maybe tomorrow we'll stop and look at things. Maybe we won't. But for today, it was just merely the journey. And that, in and of itself, is more than plenty for me. And I'm glad that you've all come along and shared this journey with me and Jax. All right, as we get settled in here and get ready for another wonderful night's sleep, until Jax and I see you again, you all take care, and I hope you have an amazing day. Later.